Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your online service with Fiverr, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your niche and the services you want to offer on Fiverr. Research existing gigs in your niche to understand the competition. Analyze what top sellers are doing well, including their pricing, descriptions, and visuals. Create a compelling Fiverr profile that showcases your skills and experience. Craft a clear and enticing gig description that highlights the benefits of your services. Use relevant keywords in your gig title and description to improve visibility in searches. Optimize your gig images by using high-quality visuals that represent your service effectively. Set competitive pricing that reflects your expertise while remaining attractive to potential buyers. Consider offering introductory rates or package deals to entice initial customers. Utilize Fiverr's promotional tools, such as coupons and gig extras, to enhance your offerings. Deliver exceptional service to build positive reviews and ratings from your clients. Engage with your customers through clear communication and prompt responses to inquiries. Market your Fiverr gig through social media platforms and relevant online communities. Network with other Fiverr sellers to share insights and strategies for growth. Continuously seek feedback from your clients to improve your services. Adapt your offerings based on market trends and demand to stay competitive. Refine and update your gig over time to keep it relevant and appealing. Track your performance metrics on Fiverr to assess what works and what doesn't. Set clear goals for your growth and scale your services accordingly. Consider expanding your team by hiring other Fiverr freelancers to handle increased workload. With dedication and strategy, you can effectively scale your online service using Fiverr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.